Hello!
Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Join us at the Hwacheon Ice Festival, one of Korea's most exciting winter festivals. Located in Hwacheon County, this festival sees hundreds of visitors each year that brave the cold weather to enjoy activities like ice fishing, snow sledding, hand fishing, and more. So, today our team is diving into all the action to show you how fun this festival truly is. And maybe you'll come check it out yourself as well. First, we went ice fishing. We got fishing lines, found our spots, and got right to it.
Have fun! What? Here! Jellyfish. Yay!
Oh, it's so hard.
What's too hard? Rose, don't complain. You want the fish? I catch them. You also want one? I'm stuck to the... Lara, catch the fish. Good?
After some dancing in the ice and ice fishing, we decided to get a quick meal as we didn't get lucky with catching any fish.
Okay, so we just gave up on ice fishing. The patience is not there anymore. We had delicious food now, all gone. And this festival has like a ton of activities to do.
Just like Franca said, there are many things to do at this festival. Next, we needed some action, so we went and rode the slide.
And what's your dancing skill?
Oh, they are so fun.
And you're dancing?
Oh, I can't dance.
Now, what's winter without some sledding? We couldn't miss out on doing some snow sledding, so that is exactly what we went and did. I know it looks pretty scary because of how steep it is, but it was really fun to experience, so I'm glad I was able to join in on this one.
Fun!
That's so fun.
Good? That was great. Yeah, especially the spinning. The spinning is what really gets crazy and scary. Where are we going now? Hand fishing!
Yes, hand fishing.
Okay.
Let's go.
After all the fun at the snow sledding, we went to our final destination, hand fishing. On our way to the hand fishing area, we also saw some beautiful snow sculptures. We also saw Santa Claus, who you could take pictures with, and a small area for making dalgona cookies.
잘해요, 잘해요. 와.
Now for the most exciting part, bare hand fishing. In here, we were given clothes to wear to jump into the freezing water to catch fish with our bare hands. It's crazy and slippery, but somehow Lara and Franca managed to catch one each. After all that, we were starving, so we took the fish that our friends caught and made our way to the cooking area. They grilled it up for us, and it was a little crispy on the outside, flaky and tender on the inside. The perfect way to end the day. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.